to my channel. I'm so excited you're here. I'm Michelle, and we are actually on the move today in the National Park of Big Bend. Now, if you've never heard of this national park before, don't worry, I hadn't either, but we are actually still in the state of Texas. We're gonna go on a couple hikes. We're gonna go in some slot canyons. It's gonna be super fun. I wanna take you along with us. Before we get going, I just want to mention that for brunch today, I had a couple eggs on top of some leafy greens and vegetables all cooked. Throw some salt and pepper and red chili flake on there, and oh, so good. I am ready for this hike. Yeah, let's get going. Alright, so we're ready. We got backpack, first aid kit, 2 waters, some snacks for Andrew. I made some little trail mix for me with, you know, some nuts and seeds and goji berries and coconut. We're all ready. It's only 1.5 miles, but that's okay. You always come prepared. I was just telling Andrew how good it feels. He's back there dealing with slivers. Okay, well, I was just telling Andrew how good it feels to be hiking out here. For the last like 5 months, we have been on the East Coast and, you know, been in cities and haven't really done a lot of outdoorsy, I guess, stuff. And so it feels good to be in the sunshine, basking in it all, even though it is a little hot today, and just getting out here in nature, getting our sweat on a little bit. Back at the car. Ooh, there's Puppy. Is there a puppy? Music. Like I said before, wow, it just felt good to get out there. We walked for like, oh geez, like just over 35 minutes. But it was warm, which is okay. Oh, who do you have, Lovey? Oh, you want to show? Do you have lamb? Oh, let me see. Like I said earlier, it just feels good to get out there walking, hiking, working up just a little bit of a sweat. I think we're gonna go on to our next little hike, maybe check out some hot springs that are here for tomorrow. So we have our camp spot for the night, which is pretty epic. I mean, look at this view, just crazy. There's no one here, which is awesome. It ended up being just a little bit too late in the day. We got a really late start this morning. We could go do the other hike. Tomorrow's supposed to rain. We might do the hot springs then, and then the next day is when we're gonna do the other hike, kind of in that like canyon area. So I still wanna bring you along for the ride, so I guess let's fast forward a little bit. Going because, you know, that awesome spot that we were at last night, yeah, well, it ended up raining this morning, and trying to get out of the curry roads on this clay, we were like fishtailing so much, sideways, all the stuff. We're out though, so that's good. Not going back. This is just a disaster. Also, that means that we were touching butt with the embankments on the It is 2 days later. We are down here at the Santa Elena Canyon, which was the hike that I did want to go on before, but we didn't have any more time in the day. So we're down here, and now that we're here, pretty much the entire park is here as well at the same time. This is something that we try to avoid at all costs, but it seems like today we failed a little bit because there's a lot going on here. We're trying to decide if this is something that we actually want to do, if we just wait it out a little bit, or if we should go and do another hike. Not really sure yet. Andrew's trying to assess. So on the map, it actually has us crossing the stream to that side, but that's kind of a lot of water. So we are going to try and do the hill over here. All right, so we bypassed all the people. Thank goodness. It is now quiet in here, so that's nice. And you can kind of hear an echo when I'm talking. Look how cool this is. There's nothing like walking in a canyon. Felt like a little billy goat coming up and down that little first part there, pretty much with everyone slipping and sliding around. So hopefully, I hopefully don't fall on the way back down. Fingers crossed, right? Well, we've made it to the end. Gotta say, this is pretty cool. I think it was worth fighting all the people to get up here, and now that it's peaceful back here, I can see why this was a must-do for Big Bend. So I haven't really eaten a whole lot today, so I made a chocolate green smoothie, which is essentially just chocolate, protein powder, some spirulina, half a banana, like a cup of almond milk, the rest with some water. Then I like to top chia seeds on the top of this guy. And then just mix those babies in. This has been one of my favorite smoothies in the last few weeks, and it's just chock full of good stuff, super simple and really good. All right guys, that will conclude today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We are about to head out of Big Bend. Keep documenting along the way. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because more content is coming your way. See ya!